These are the escalators at Belk, Oglethorpe Mall in Savannah, Georgia. Wow, look at this. Up escalator. Right there's the elevator. Otis. There's the elevator. Wow, look at this atrium. It's so beautiful. I love this store. Here's the scenic elevator, which is cool. This is a very 70s store. Otis. I'm gonna look at this atrium here. This is cool. We're gonna head back down now. Down escalator. This atrium right here in the elevator. Otis. There's the elevator. This is cool. A really super nice atrium. Otis. There's the elevator, and that's it.